Hi there, welcome to Optical Laser Technologies YouTube channel. My name is Jordan. So in this video, I'm going to show you the consumable parts and other components and the welding machine of our handheld laser welding machine. So when you place an order from our company, we will be offering you a 4-piece protection lens. For the first treatment, for the protection lens, the working life for the protection lens is around 360 hours. We will also be offering you 4 different types of nozzle, brass nozzles for you. So with each different nozzle shape, you can weld in different material. For example, it's for the different welding methods. For example, the vertically welding or corner edge welding. Or you have a special requirement for pipe welding. This is some of the welding example we did in the past. As you can see here, this is a 6mm stainless steel with vertical welding method. As you can see, it's very beautiful. With the solder wire, and this is a 3mm stainless steel we did. So with this shape of the brass nozzle, as you can see here, with our the solder wire coming from our wire feeder, has a very beautiful and very good welding effect on the material. And this is a vertically welding method we did with our with this shape of nozzle. As you can see here, this is a aluminum welding material. Device right there is our rotation assay. The purpose of this rotation assay is for you to weld the pipe or the tube material. For this particular device, it is a 50mm diameter within. We also have 80 diameters as well. It comes with a power supply. So whenever you need to weld in a machine, you can first stabilize the tube or the pipe welding material with this device, and then using our welding machine to finish the rest of the job. So after you finish the welding process, you can take it off. As you can see, this is the pipe material we did in the past. You can check the welding gaps and the welding effect. It is really nice done and beautiful work. We have 4 different types of the grass nozzle. You can use those 4 different types of nozzle to weld different material or different type of welding methods. For example, the vertical welding methods, or with the rotation acid to weld pipe or tube product material. Also to weld two splashing metal material as well. So move on to next. The next component I'm going to show you is our water cooling system. As you can see, this part right there. For this machine, there is a water supply switch. You can either turn on the machine. So after you are finished using the machine, you will need to turn off the water cooling system. We also have a water inline tube for replenishment, and the extendable water outlet tube for the drilling purpose. So this black part right there is for for the dust proof, better protect the machine itself. For the water cooling system, there's a water pump inside. Whenever you need to use the machine, you will need to fill up with 17 to 18 liters of water, for the keep the temperature in the keep the working temperature normal for the laser source. And also, you will need to use in the purified water or the distilled water to fill out the water, which can better protect our machines. So move on to next. I'm going to show you the differences between our specialized wobble welding head. The first advantage our wobble welding head has is compared to the normal usual welding head, this wobble welding head can save until like 30% of energy, can improve 30% of working efficiency, 30% of power supply energy. And the second advantage we have for the wobble welding head is that we have a galvanometer motor within the welding head. Move on next, I'm going to show you the difference between our wobble welding head compared to the standard normal welding head. With the wobble welding head, it has some advantages the normal welding heads cannot reach the working process. Our wobble head can do the work the normal welding head cannot do. With the laser wobble welding head, it has an advantage compared to the TIG welding. You can control the laser power. It's more controllable compared to the TIG welding. Even if you don't know much about you don't have too much experience in welding, but you can still using our laser welding head, laser welding machine, because it's more controllable laser power and easy to control, easy to operate. The laser welding with the wobble laser welding machine, you can with the laser wobble head, you can save 70. You only use like 70% of power. You can save the cost of the laser power. Secondly, the other advantage this wobble welding head has is you can back to first. You can back to first through the galvanometers motor inside, and for weld impurity material, which the wobble laser welding head can reduce. You can reduce, the bubble or the splash or the fry point during the working process, because the laser welding head is more controllable compared to the normal welding head. For standard welding head, you can only weld the wedges of 0.2 millimeters, but there will be not galvanometer motor inside of the welding head. With the normal welding head, there will be not galvanometer motor inside, so therefore there will be not swing. Also, the welding effect will be not that good. But with wobble laser welding head, the welding width can be extend to 0.5 millimeters. So along with this the solder wire, we also have a optional wire feeder to come with it to slide the solder wire. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the machine or other technical questions, feel free to contact one of our salespeople on the contact information below, and then we will provide you the assistance to answer your questions as soon as possible. Bye bye.